Hello everybody, my name is Jatin and this video how to allow calls on do not disturb. So make sure my channel subscribe and like this video and below comment. So first of all open the setting app and go focus option and you see do not disturb option, click now and you see pupil and go now pupil and you see allow responding calls, so click now and allow pupil everybody, click now and you see up silence notification from, so click now and click off. And this video helpful for you, please like, share and comment and my channel subscribe. I hope this video helpful for you, so please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.